Good morning! Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Jada. I'm 22 years old and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related content. So we're just gonna get right into this video. If you guys saw the title, we are going on a trip and you guys are packing with me. So keep on watching to pack with me for my trip to LA. I know you guys are probably wondering why the heck I'm going to LA during a pandemic. Well, if you guys watched my very first ever video, you guys know that I go to school in the UK, and right now we're on spring break, and I deserve this. I deserve it, honestly. Spring break in the UK is pretty hefty. It's 3 weeks long versus in the US, or at least my school that I went to in the US, it was a week long. So I have 3 weeks off of school. Not really, I have a lot of assignments. But this week we are going to LA. We're going to visit some schools because y'all know I'm trying to get into some PhD programs, and we're just going to enjoy our little time off of school. My flight leaves today, actually. It's 9:37. My flight leaves at 2:37. Let me double check. I should know this. My flight leaves at 2:36 and it's 9:37 and I don't have anything packed. I should probably get there around like 12:30. So long story short, we need to get to packing. So here's my suitcase. I literally just pulled it out, which is a shame. But thankfully I do have an idea what I'm gonna take, so it shouldn't take me too long to pack. But I am a terrible packer. I overpack. I sometimes get charged for oversized bags, which is a shame. So don't pack based off of the way that I pack. Just enjoy the video. But wait, before we get into this video, I just gotta let you guys get into my hair, because I'm gonna leave her tag below because she honestly killed this style and she deserves all creds. I'm gonna leave her tag, and then I also got my my lashes and my eyebrows laminated, so I'll also leave her tag down below because that's my girl. And then I got my nails done, so just a little like abstract, you know I like to be different, so just a little abstract nails. So we have to prep and prepare for this trip. We gotta look cute. If you guys are interested in watching my further vlogs in LA or watching this video, be sure to continue watching. Also be sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, press the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and of course subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let's get to packing. Okay, so I kind of have some stuff out because I folded laundry last night, so I have out some like pajamas, and then this is just like toiletries and stuff, makeup. I went to Target yesterday and I got some other toiletries, and then I bought an extra SD card just in case I need it, because I want to get a lot of footage to give you guys a good vlog, my first travel vlog. All this is coming with me, and then most of the stuff on my clothing rack is coming with me. I'm gonna take 2 pairs of shoes, my Converses, probably I'm probably going to use this as a carry-on because it's a big bag, so we're just going to put this on my bed. And then I do want to take this purse because it's like more of a dressy purse, so we're also going to take this, which is from Pretty Little Thing, this shirt from Pretty Little Thing, basically everything off of this clothing rack. Okay, so I basically have everything that I'm gonna pack in terms of like daytime wear. Okay, so I have like a good amount of clothes to like if we're ever switching it up, like if we're going out during the day shopping or something, and then if we come back and we decide to go to dinner, I have a good amount of outfits for like both types of occasions. So I kind of have a lot of jeans. I think it's okay. I got these jeans from Pretty Little Thing yesterday, and I absolutely love them because they're joggers. They're like denim cargo joggers. So the front denim, the back cargo's like, have you ever seen anything like that? Dope, literally so fire, and I cannot wait to wear these. So these are going in the suitcase. A pair of shorts. I don't know if I actually wear them, but I think we're supposed to go like on a boat or something, so I'm gonna bring a pair of shorts just in case, and I'm gonna bring a pair of sandals as well just in case, or in case like we walk on the beach or something. I don't want to wear my sneakers on the beach. My sneakers are too nice to be walking on the beach. My package is here. Have these blue jeans that are super duper nice. They're just midi blue baggy jeans. Excited to wear those. And then normally I just fold my clothes, like I roll them. It just makes more space for everything. And then I have these jeans for Pretty Little Thing, and these are lovely because they have a slit on the side, so they're like slit side jeans. Bomb. I have exactly like the amount of jeans for the amount of days that we're going to be there, so that's good. It's really good. Actually, I lied. I have 7 pairs of jeans. I don't need 7 pairs of jeans. What should I take out? Oh, I have the shorts. I have 6 pairs of jeans. Wait, when package comes, gonna have 7. So I know for sure I'm gonna wear these and these and these. I'm just gonna bring them all. They're here. Not gonna lie, I forgot that I ordered something from Amazon, but it's here in time too, so I'm happy that. I feel like I have 3 videos on this channel where I'm struggling to open a package or open a box or open something, and it says tear here to open. And I'm tearing it. I see where it says to tear it at. There we go. Okay, but I ordered this Vivienne Westwood dupe necklace. I've been seeing it everywhere. Actually, let me give you guys a whole rundown. So about 2 weeks ago, I actually ordered this same necklace off of Etsy, and I didn't realize where it was shipping from. Hold on. They gave me the whole Vivienne Westwood bag and everything, but I wanted to get this dupe to wear with this outfit that I have planned. So has the box, and let me show you guys. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. But I ordered this off of Etsy a few weeks ago, and I looked the other day and it was going to be here in time. And then, you know, I have Amazon Prime, and Amazon ships fast as crap. So ordered this same necklace off of Amazon Prime, and it got here literally in 1 day. So I guess when my one from Etsy comes, I'll send it back or keep it. I don't know. Depends on which one looks better. But what it looks like. I'm obsessed. Let me put it on. It's basically like a choker, and it just sits really nicely on your neck. I am absolutely in love with this. Like, in love. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is cute. Let me go show my mama. So, absolutely love this. I'm gonna link it down below because it's fire, and I think everyone should have this necklace. So this is just like the Amazon dupe. The real one is like $500, and I was like, so I got me this one, and it sits so nicely. Like, it's giving me very much classy, grown and sexy, fine. I love this. I'm hyped. Okay, but from Princess Polly, this is just my second time ordering from there. And last time I got something from there, it was like the beginning of summer last year, and my pants were kind of too short for me. But the reviews on these said they were long. They also said to size down, so I did that. And if these don't fit and I size down, okay, so we're gonna start off with the jeans because these are about to go into my bag. But I ordered these jeans, these asymmetrical jeans. Let me just show y'all. Let the jeans speak for themselves. They look like they could be long enough. If they're low rise, it look like they're gonna be long enough. But asymmetric straight leg light wash. Okay, so they don't say high rise. So they look like this. So I'm about to try these on right quick, and then I'll show you. But let me show you guys everything else first. So I got these, which I hope fit. And then I got this yellow shirt to go with my community gardens. I'm not taking those with me on the trip, but these are necessary for later. And it's just like a yellow bodysuit that I got. Really cute, just basic yellow bodysuit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's just like a yellow bodysuit. I'm gonna hang this up on my clothing rack right quick. And then these two tops are coming with me. So this is a brown, like, stretchy long sleeve top. I actually got this to wear with my new Dunks that I got. So I'm gonna wear this with the jeans. Really cute, really stretchy material. This is the Blanco top brown. So really cute top. I'm gonna wear with those jeans. Then I got this shirt to go with my shoes, which I'll show you guys, but I don't think this is the same color orange. It'll kind of go still, but it's not the same. It didn't look like it did in the picture. This is just like this one. It's kind of big too. What size did I get? I got an 8. That's my size. So it's just like this one shoulder top, which is super cute. So we'll see how that looks with my shoes before I actually pack it, because I might not need it, and then I'll have less stuff that I need to bring, you know? So we'll see. So yeah, that's everything I got from Princess Polly. Let me try these jeans on right quick, and then I'll show you guys what they look like. Okay, so these are the jeans, and they fit and they're long enough, but honestly I didn't need 2 sizes down. So whoever suggested that in the comments wanted their jeans to fit like a perfect fit, and I like them a bit baggier. I'm trying to debate if I should keep them or not, because like I have space, like they're not tight or nothing, but I did pay a good amount of money for these jeans. I really want to take them with me. They fit really nice. They're just not as baggy as I imagined them to be. When someone says size down because they were too big, I guess it's because they wanted them to be a good fit. But these are the jeans from Princess Polly that I am most likely going to keep. So I tried them on with the top that I wear with them. This is like the brown top, and obviously I wouldn't have this white shirt on under it, but I was kind of too lazy to take it off, and I think they look fine. Like they fit perfectly. They're just not super baggy, but I think I'm going to keep them and take them with me. They're just not as baggy as I particularly would like my jeans, but the asymmetrical hem is nice. These were honestly kind of hard to button because there's like 4 buttons along here and then there's 1 here. This one on the inside was hard to button, like so hard to button, but I'm gonna keep these, and this is gonna be one of my fits, either these jeans or another pair of jeans. We'll figure it out. And this is kind of like sweatery, so it's not going to be too hot to wear it. It shouldn't be, at least in Santa Monica, but we'll figure it out. So we're going to take this is going to be one of my fits, and then we're going to see if that orange shirt matches my shoes. If not, then we'll leave the shoes and the shirt here and the pants, so we can just have a few less things in our suitcase. Okay, so these were the shoes that I was going to take to wear with this orange shirt, and it doesn't match. So these are the shoes. I was going to put it with this, and like honestly it'll blend, like it doesn't look bad, but I just want it to match. So as sad as I'm going to be, I think I'm gonna leave these at home and just save some space and wear these another day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that for sure. So these are gonna stay at the crib along with these pants that I was gonna wear with them blue jeans. This would have been like a cute little outfit. Honestly, I'm gonna bring it, and I'm just gonna leave these at home instead, because I actually really like this outfit and I want to wear it to Melrose when I go. I just want to make sure this fits because this looks big. I'm gonna bring them. Let me just finish this out and then get ready to go, because time is like ticking now. It is 10:30, so let me just go ahead and do what I gotta do. Okay, so I have everything that I want in here, and believe it or not, this is actually one of the better packing jobs that I've ever done in a while. So everything fit in here pretty well. I'm just going to zip this up now. This is always tight, so I'm just going to zip it as good as we can. Okay, so now that we have all of my clothes in here, next I'm going to go and do my toiletries, because over here is going to be toiletries, my shoes, and the purses that I'm going to bring. And I think that's it. And then we'll be done packing. I'm going to pack my carry-on bag, and we're going to probably head to the airport by that time. So here are my toiletries for the most part, and then I have to unpack this Target bag. I try and put everything in here, but I don't know if it's all going to fit, so some of it might just have to go stay in this Target bag and go inside my suitcase. But this is what we're about to work on right here. I have a few new products that I bought, and then just some extras that I wanted to bring, like lotions and toothpaste and a razor, and this stuff is actually staying here, but just some extra stuff that I got from Target. But we're about to pack this bag, and I'll see y'all once we get done. Okay, so we got all of my toiletries and makeup packed, and then 2 pairs of shoes. I'm gonna try and squeeze 1 more pair in there, and then my sandals. And then I always take like an extra duffel bag just in case I go shopping or something, and I can bring all of that stuff back. But for the most part, we're done. We're gonna pack jewelry as well inside of a little bag, and we're gonna also add that to my suitcase. So I'm currently live on Likey. There are 243 people on here, and they're getting like the BTS of this video. So make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can check out this video. Okay, so we have everything packed. I have a purse with sunglasses in it, so hopefully that doesn't like squish my jewelry. And then I have just some extra purses. So this side is packed, and we're basically done with everything here. Just gonna pack our carry-on bag, and then we're done. So typically in my carry-on bag, I pack basic things that I want to have on me, like my laptop, chapstick, my wallet, all that good stuff. So let's just get to packing. So I'm gonna bring my laptop so I can edit on the plane. My editing software, so like my USB to USB, my I don't know, all this USB stuff, I'm taking all of it. I have an extra SD card just in case I run out of space. AirPods, Apple Watch, hand sanitizer, and lotion is 100% necessary for the plane. I have chapstick and 2 lip glosses, which are my favorite, which I'm gonna take all of them. Eyelash brushes, tissue, gum, a pen in case you need to sign something, and then my wallet, of course. I always get questions about these masks, so these are just like evolved together. I have them in green, gray, black, and white. And these are just like regular recyclable masks. They're called evolved together masks, and they're just like disposable face masks, but they look really nice. So I'm probably gonna wear a white one on the plane just because that's what I'm wearing today. But I'm just gonna take all of these and put them all in my bag. I'm also gonna take a few tripods. I'm gonna take this one. This is just like my regular size UVZ tripod in case like I film a TikTok or something while I'm there. I want to take a car tripod, but I don't think I'm gonna actually use it, so I'm gonna leave that here. But I am gonna take my bendy tripod, which is in here as well, in case we like go on ATVs or something. This is always good to like wrap around, or on a bike ride. These are perfect to wrap around the handlebars if you are doing something that is active. And then this tripod as well. So this is like my mini tripod that I carry around everywhere. So we're done packing. I'm about to get dressed and put my shoes on, and then we're gonna head out the door.